Hey everybody, I'm really excited because our July-August issue is now in mailboxes and on newsstands, and I thought I'd just walk you through it a little bit. So it starts with our cover story on hummingbird gardens. In this story you'll find ideas on how to design hummingbird gardens, you'll find the best plants to bring more hummingbirds into your garden, and you'll even get some feeder tips as well. And summer wouldn't be summer here in the Midwest without coneflowers in your garden. And so we have a big story on coneflowers. There's so many pretty colors and different species and varieties available. But interestingly, you don't have to live in the Midwest to grow coneflowers. And so we've given some regional picks for the best ones for every region in the country. And I thought it was interesting, in addition to the design ideas and the plant recommendations, we have lots of care information too, so you can grow them and keep them beautiful. There's a new disease and pest, there's a new pest out there called the coneflower rosette mite, and that would be an interesting thing for you to read so you can learn how to identify and treat that if you find it in your garden. And summer's when problems always start to show up in my vegetable garden. Luckily, Nikki Jabor is here and she can help you identify the problem, whether it's blossom end rot or rabbits or squash bugs or even something you just don't even know what it is. She'll help you find out what it is and then she'll help you fix it. And I don't know what it is about summer, but that's always when the problems show up, right? Diseases and weeds. So Jenny has put together 5 no-pull weed strategies for your garden. So you don't have to bend over and pull them out, and you don't have to get out the spray either. They're all organic approaches. I had so much fun writing this article about a prairie garden that's worked into a more traditional landscape in Wisconsin. And so you can get inspired by these beautiful shots and tips from this garden, and then learn how to establish your own prairie with my interview and tips from Neil DeBole of Prairie Nursery. He's a world-renowned expert and so full of great advice. And that's not all. We also have stories on cut flower combos, long-blooming perennials, and as always, our best reader tips and questions answered. Look for this issue on newsstands and in mailboxes right now. And if you're not a subscriber, you can find out how to become one in the description below.